The press pull command is very similar to the extrude and there is some overlap. The difference, however, is that the press pull has additional features that are not available with the simple extrude command. I'm going to sketch a quick square, make it 50 by 50. Select OK. Now I'm going to extrude it up by 50 millimeters. If I perform a press pull on it, I have the option to select Modify Existing, New Offset, and Automatic. With Modify Existing, it will add on to the extrude we have already performed. In the case of a symmetric extrude, it will add it onto both sides. For New Offset, it will simply add a new layer on top of the original extrude and will start measuring from 0 millimeters, which means it's adding onto the existing distance. If I press pull and make the distance 50 millimeters, when we measure it now, we can see that the total length is 100 millimeters. If I choose Modify Existing and specify a distance, that will then be the total distance or length of the object. In the case of a symmetric extrude, the value displayed is half the total length due to it being pulled on both sides.